Yes, sir. Few important experience I would like to tell you. If you don't clear this, you are not going to stage 2. So it's very important for you to cross this step. Right? Screening is basically to weed out people who are not interested so that exchequer or the government of the state doesn't spend too much of money on them. That's why the screening is being done. Roughly about 30 to 40% only get selected in the state. Imagine 100 votes, 30 to 40 people only go. So it's very important for you to understand the mechanics of it, understand what exactly is required of you, and then on the day of screening, you should project yourself so that you are there for the stage. Now what does it involve? You already seen a picture. That picture is a hazy picture. Intentionally it is given as a hazy picture. Don't think we cannot show you a good picture. It is intentionally given a hazy picture. And that picture, depending on your perceptions, you make your story. Right? So these stories, what we are telling you, how to avoid things which are not required to be done. Whenever you see a story, the details have been already told to you, how to observe the story, how to divide it into parts, and what are the ingredients, how it has got a context between the main theme. It has already been told to you in theory. But now what I am telling you is, after seeing that picture, you get a break. That break is vital. Make use of the break. First batch may not get some time. Second, third, fourth batch may get some time. And that time you must make up your mind what exactly you want to narrate. Because you get 1 minute time, you got to structure your story in such a manner it gets compressed into 1 minute and make it more effective and impressive and impactful. It has already been told to you what you saw in the picture, what you perceived. Out of that, you select one of the chaps as the main character, and what are his credentials, what are his strengths, what actions he does, and those actions should reveal something worthwhile to the society of the nation. We already a number of times we told you, don't bring in murder, rape, molestation, drugs, narcotics into your story. That speaks of your subconscious mind. Negative thoughts should be avoided. Even if by chance if something is very obviously shown, make it into a positive one. If a male member is there, take male member as the main character. If a female is there, take a female as a main character. By chance only female is shown to you, male member is there, then bring the third dimension also, you can bring in outside character. No problem. Got the point? Now when you saw what you saw in the picture, what you perceived, who is the hero, what led to that event, that picture, then ultimately what is happening there, what you saw in the picture, and what is likely to happen. These three things, aspects has to be brought in. It should culminate in something very positive, constructive, which is useful to the society of the nation. That should be your aim. Got it? Now, no fantasies in a story. Be practical, positive, relevant, which is what is happening day-to-day life. But the level or the content should be such, should be commensurating with the qualification and your age and maturity. We don't expect too simple a story. There's nothing wrong in telling a simple story. But later on you have to put it across in such a way that people should also accept it. Right? So that 1 minute time will not exceed that time. So keep that as a yardstick. 5 seconds here and there, we don't penalize people. But generally, we want to train you, so we give you 1 minute time. By the time it comes to 85, automatically you start the discussion. When you start, nobody will tell you that please start the discussion. You on your own, you have to start. You have to take the initiative. You should be able to speak at least 3 to 4 times When I say speak 4 times, it is not that everybody is speaking, you are also speaking. Blah, 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 I add up to that chaos. No. What I mean to say something very interesting, something very useful, something very practical, something which you can convince the people with your points, that sparks. That has to be shown. Narration, your capability, oratory, it is your capability that you have to develop. How to draw the attention of the people, it is your, you must know. How to structure your talk or your thought process, you should understand that. Don't have to make very complicated compound sentences. Very simple sentences will do. Got it? Don't give some rewards which are not commensurating with the effort. Don't do that. You must contribute in bringing the group consensus. Your effort should be to make sure all points are get together, and then you should be able to give the group consensus. At least in framing the group consensus. Even in the narration of the story, your effectiveness, group effectiveness is an important thing which we should look for. Okay? When you are addressing, address by chest numbers. Hindi or English, these are the two languages we permitted officially. Try and speak in English. Fine. Problem. Then you can use Hindi words, no problem. As long as you make it very effective, clear, confidently you narrate, with a little bit of modulation in your talk, it will be effective. Don't use your hands movement here and there for nothing. Don't fall into the arena of your neighbor who's sitting next to you. Don't put your chair forward or bend too much or block somebody. A little bit movement of hand here and there, you're not going to penalize. First and the foremost is your posture, your projection of a personality. Sit straight, vertebrae straight, chin up, look into the eyes, put your hands there, legs shoulder apart. Don't tuck in too much inside or outside. Don't keep it too wide, your legs. Don't have to be rigid. And normal. Comfortable sitting. When you are looking and talking, scan through the eyes, look at everyone and talk. Not side talks are not advisable. You must confidently talk, loud and clear. No mild, soft, disjointed, disconnected. Thought process will give you any results, any help. So you must make sure you put it across impressively, make it impactful. That for that you need, your content level should be good. For that you should structure your talk well. For that you should confidently narrate. Modulation should be there, and little bit of strength, facts, figures. If you have that substantiate, that helps you to put it very impressively. Okay? Then after the discussion, GTO may not ask one of you to give the group consensus. Don't stand up like a popcorn and say, I want to give, sir, I want to give. Look here and there, show your intention. If somebody names you, you say, okay, thank you gentlemen for giving this opportunity. That is the only time you stand up and talk to the assessor. Sir, after thanking the group, you tell them, oh, sir, on behalf of the group, I will be giving out the group consensus. Then you narrate. Okay? Don't narrate in 2 lines and sit down. No, you have been selected. If the group consensus has not come, say some patchwork has to be done, you can do so. Whatever you are narrating is not your story. It is a group which has come to common consensus. That is what you have to say. Okay? Any doubts? No? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Pen. There. Try facing him. But थोड़ा just open out a bit. But rest is fine. Okay. No doubts? Please start.
Yamu is a 21 years old boy. He very interested in farming. Therefore, he decided to farm a paddy field in front of his house. He farmed very well in lot of places. Then one day a pig is come and destroyed his crop, and he decided to make a trap to catch this pig, and he make a trap and catch the pig. He appreciated for his neighbor's farmer.
Friends, in this picture I see one character male of age 35 years, 28 years. So Ajay is a young guy who wants to join a defense. So what he does, he wants to train himself physically fit. So he starts to run every day, every morning. In this picture, I see one Ajay moving out for a daily morning walk so that he improves him physically. But at the end, he feels himself fainted because he is not able to do so. But he improves himself, manages himself, he motivates himself and comes back and daily he practices. He doesn't give up. He practices every day and make himself strong, and finally he joins the defense. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture I saw a guy of around age 18 to 25 years of age. His name is Raju. He studies out of his hometown, and then when he came to his hometown for vacation, and when he just went for a walk in a park, and then there he saw the miserable conditions of the park. Then he thought with his friends, with the help of his friends, like he organized an awareness program telling the people of the locality about the importance of environment protection. And then he organized a cleanup session with the help of the locality, and then he changed the conditions of the place around him.
Hello friends, what I saw in the story is a man in his early 20s. So I perceive from the story that his name is Ramesh. He's in early 20s. On one fine day, he was just going for his farming. The crops has just been ripen and are ready for harvest. So while he was doing his daily work in one evening, he sensed that there is a thunderstorm coming. But he ignored that and went off his work because he has so much work left to do. Then suddenly, out of his concern, the thunderstorm came and all his crops were ruined. His farm got ruined. He was really upset from that incident, and then he decided to go home. He was not even aware what to do. Then one of his friends helped him financially. His friend bought him some tools and new seeds for the new crops. Then, after recovering from his incident, he grew another crops, and then he harvested them successfully. And then he thanked his friend at last. So this shows how a good friendship it comes in need at the proper time.
Friends, I think he's a young teenager of age up to 8 to 22. When he is good in academics, he just fall in love. And I think in that picture, I just saw that he's a victim of love failure. When his lover just cheat him, and he understands that she is just utilizing him for money, he become very sad and just cry. With this experience, he just become successful in life.
Arun is a teenage boy of about 20 years. He used to travel a lot, one day when he went to a place named Yeshwanthpur, he saw it is a village area. He saw a river there. He passed out that river and walked us out. So it was a rainy time and a hurricane was happened, and a boy was a small age of about 6 years. Boy was fall into the river. He was trying to. He saw that and he went to help him, but he could not. So he cried and ran to the village and informed the people that such a thing was happened in his village. So that people took the initiative and went and helped that child who was